everyone, Saki here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a little bit of a fashion haul for you guys, including a new bag unboxing, which I'm really excited to share with you guys. We're gonna get straight into the haul, but before we get started, I just wanted to quickly say, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Saki. I upload videos twice a week and I also do monthly giveaways. So if you could please just hit that subscribe button down below before you go, especially if you like my content, I would really appreciate it. So I've been doing a little bit of shopping lately and I feel like I haven't done a fashion haul on my channel in a while, but I was browsing through a couple of stores recently and I've noticed that there are so many like different kinds of pieces out there lately, and I think that shopping has become a little bit easier in my opinion, especially for me, because I feel like I have such a specific style that like it's not easy for me to find pieces that I really like and enjoy. Like I have such a specific color palette and I've just got like a really specific and particular taste that like normally I find it kind of hard to shop, but I feel like especially with this like generation, so many different brands are like doing more like unique and creative things. And so when I was shopping recently, I felt like, I don't know, I just felt really happy that there are more unique pieces popping up. So I did end up grabbing a couple of things here and there. A lot of them are clothing pieces, but I also do have a bag to share with you guys. So I'm going to start off with that one first. But before I get onto the unboxing, I just wanted to say that this video is sponsored by Farfetch. If you've never heard of Farfetch before, you're missing out because Farfetch is one of the best places to shop for luxury online. I shop there all the time, even before I started getting sponsored by them. Now, these items were gifted to me from Farfetch through a credit, but I did pick them out myself. The thing that I love about Farfetch the most is that they have such a big collection and a wide variety of items from all over the world as they partner with boutiques from all over the world. The bag that I ended up picking out is actually from the Shuga store in Switzerland, and it came so fast as well through DHL. So the chances of an item being stocked on Farfetch are way greater than any other website out there. So let's just get straight into this box. So I actually ordered something from a brand that I haven't shopped that much from before. And I don't know if you can tell from the dust bag, it is really lightly printed, but this bag is from Chloe. Now, if you guys know me, you're gonna totally be shocked at what I've picked out because it is so different from anything that I have in my collection. But I'm gonna explain to you the reasons why I picked this item and why I think it's so awesome and unique, and why I was just so curious about the item to begin with. I'm laughing because, well, you'll see once I show you what this is. Alright, so I have to unveil to you the Chloe Drew mini backpack. When I first saw this, I literally just bust out laughing because I cannot believe how freaking tiny it is. I mean, I know it was a mini backpack and I saw online that it was mini, but just like to actually hold it and have it in my hands is just so funny and so cute. And seriously, this bag is so freaking tiny and adorable and I just love it. Okay, so if you know me, you'll know that I'm not particularly into mini bags, but like I was saying in the intro of this video, my thing is that like I like unique pieces that fit my aesthetic, and sometimes that's hard to find. And I do feel like, especially with a website like Farfetch, because it has like a wide range and variety of stock, it's really easy to find like really unique pieces and it's all there for you on one website. So when I was browsing through handbags, I saw this, which I feel like I would have never seen because I don't normally just go on Chloe to shop. The reason why this caught my eye is because it's presented as a mini backpack. It's got two chain straps, which I will demonstrate how it works. But then I was scrolling through the pictures and you can actually use this as not only a mini backpack, but as a crossbody bag, a shoulder bag, and a belt bag. And if you guys know me and my style, one of my things that I advocate for most is versatility of the item, even if it's really small like this one. I mean, you can wear this bag in all those different ways and plus use it as like a little mini bag charm for like a tote bag or something. So let me unwrap this and I will actually show you how it works. Alright, so I've kind of unraveled the chains and it actually came in the backpack style. I'm going to keep these tags on right now. Normally I just rip it off, but there is this tag that's like plastic and I have to find scissors. I have no idea where they are. So Farfetch actually comes with these little tags on here. So if you do want to return something, it's really, really easy. Just don't cut off the tag. All right, so like I was saying, it does already come in the backpack style. So all you have to do is slip this, over your shoulders and you have the little mini backpack. How freaking adorable is that? I know that mini bags are all the rage, but I seriously never thought I would have one. But this one is just so adorable. So what you actually do to make it like a shoulder strap is that these little things are removable. So you just slip the little chain through the loop on both sides, and then you're gonna want to take this little bar and slip it in the other loop on the other side. And so it creates a little shoulder strap like that. And then just do the same thing with the opposite chain, slip it through the little loop. And now you have an itty bitty shoulder bag. How cute is that? I know that you probably won't be able to, carry much in here, but I just love the versatility of this and how, you can use it in a variety of different ways. Now this is a little bit shorter, so yes, it can go on your shoulder, but if you do use it as a crossbody bag, it's gonna be more of those tight fitting crossbody bags that kind of looks like you're wearing a belt bag or something. But I think that look is really cute and edgy as well. And as you guys know from watching my channel, that I have been, experimenting with more edgier looks. So I just feel like this is going to be perfect for the summer. I don't carry that much with me during the summer anyway, mostly just like, my credit card, my ID, a lipstick, and then like oil blotting sheets, which I feel like this can definitely carry. I mean, it is thick too, so if you have smaller items, you can definitely fit a lot of smaller items in here. All right, and then the last way that you can wear this is actually as a belt bag. You're gonna wanna do the exact same thing that I've shown you here, but you're gonna wanna wrap it around your waist first before fastening the little bars into the loops. And yeah, then you have like a little mini belt bag or a fanny pack or whatever you want to call it. I think that this is adorable. I personally don't wear pants that often, but during the summer I do wear shorts pretty often, so I feel like, if I'm just popping out to like the grocery store or something where I don't need that much and I don't want to bring like a full-on purse with me, this could be a really fun, cute look. Something like this is just really, really cute and so easy to use, and I definitely am excited to see how I can incorporate something like this in my style for the summer. So the second item that I have to share with you guys is this beautiful dress from the brand McCall. And this actually came from the McCall store in Australia, as it is an Australian brand. When I saw this dress, I fell in love with it. This is totally my style, and as you'll be able to see with pretty much everything else that I've picked out in this video, I'm just so in love with this like classy tweed style. It really reminds me of something classic and timeless, and I really do think that pieces like this are going to last me a very long time. I feel like before it was kind of hard to find, classy, beautiful pieces like this that were in such a not crazy color, but like in a unique color such as pink. So I was really happy to see that, with this new generation and in the past couple of recent years, pink is becoming like a more popular color, and so many more brands are embracing like bright, bold colors, and I'm just seriously in love with this dress. Now, when I bought it, I actually bought 2 sizes because I wasn't sure about like the Australian sizes, but Farfetch made it so easy to return the piece that didn't fit. If you do like either of the pieces that I showed you from Farfetch today, I will have links to them down below, along with a coupon code that you can use while shopping. I will leave it on the screen here and link it for you down below in the description box. So please, please, please go check them out if you like these pieces. Go check them out if you're looking for anything luxury. I seriously recommend them, and thank you again to Farfetch for sponsoring this part of the video. Alright, so the last couple pieces that I wanted to show you are actually all from Zara. So the first piece that I wanted to show you guys is this beautiful blazer. Now the thing that I love about it is that it's such a pretty pink color. I know that spring and summer are coming up, and this is probably more of like a winter item, but I do feel like there are those like colder days in spring where you could probably get use out of something like this. This blazer is different than anything else that I have because it's actually really, really long, and it's got these like unique shoulder pads, which I wasn't a fan of at first, but once I kind of like dressed it up and like threw on a pair of heels with it, I think it looks really, really cute. The second piece that I picked out from Zara is this beautiful romper or play suit, as some people call it. This one is also like kind of a tweed material, but it's got like a different design. I don't know if you can kind of tell. So the fabric is a little bit thicker than something you would find, you know, normally on a summer item, but I don't feel like it's thick enough to where I would feel hot or anything. It is a little bit short, so I am 5'3", and I feel like this is actually the perfect size for me. I think that this looks really great the way that it is, but I feel like it would look really cute maybe with like a cardigan like this that I have on, or even like a light white blazer. I'm not sure. I'm definitely looking forward to, you know, experimenting with this a little bit more. Maybe I'll throw on like a pair of my white boots with it. I just think that because of the material, you can definitely go like either really summery, or you can dress it up a little bit more as well. All right, and then the last piece that I picked up I think is my favorite from all the Zara pieces. I love this skirt so much. First of all, it's clearly in that style that I like, but it's also actually shorts. So I guess technically you would call this a skirt, even though I don't really use that word that much. The reason why I love things like this is because they're so carefree. You don't have to worry about like your underwear showing, especially because it is very short, and I'm just a huge fan of short skirts or skirts or whatever. I feel like skirts like this are normally made in a thicker material, and they're really hard to wear during the spring and summers. So I'm really glad that I found this so I could continue wearing this style of skirt even during the hotter months. Alright, so that was my little haul. What did you guys think of all the items that I picked up? What do you think of my tiny little mini Drew backpack? Please let me know in the comment section down below. I'm so curious to know your thoughts. Don't forget that if you are interested from anything from Farfetch, please use my code. Use the links in the description box below. Terms and conditions do apply, so please don't forget to check those out in the description box below as well. You're really going to love Farfetch, and I guarantee you that you can find something that you like on there. And thank you again so much to Farfetch for sponsoring this video. And before I go, I did want to mention May's giveaway. This month of May, I'm giving away this Tuile d'Hermes perfume from Hermes. It is one of my favorite scents. All you have to do to enter this giveaway is leave this emoji in the comment section down below. You can comment in as many videos as you want, only in the month of May for the videos that I've uploaded in the month of May. Please also leave your Instagram username if it is different from your YouTube username in the comment as well. You do have to be subscribed to me here on YouTube and following me on Instagram to enter as well. Thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos, and I will see you next time. Bye!
I told you I'm not yours anymore. No, I'm not yours. So why you trying to hold on?